The Tokyo Design Studio's X New Balance Minimus 10T sneaker skillfully blends classic performance-driven design elements with elegant minimalist style. Since its inception in 1906 in Northampton, Massachusetts, New Balance has refined each stitch and sole to achieve optimal comfort and performance. Half a world away, Tokyo Design Studios creates elegant, contemporary masterpieces from Japanese minimalism and restless exploration. With its neutral, slip-on design of quality suede and soft shell, fastened with a toggle cinch and grounded on a gripping Vibram outsole, the Minimus 10T sneaker now combines these traditions in an architectural silhouette that combines engineered precision with avant-garde restraint. The unique rounded lug outsole and rubber mudguard offer a platform inspired by trail running, while the unlined nubuck upper offers a progressive interpretation of low-profile, minimalist design. June 5, 2025 is the planned release date for the Tokyo Design Studio X New Balance.